We are counting down the 8 mega projects in China that push the limits of what is possible. From underground complexes shrouded in secrecy to city-sized engineering marvels, each of these real structures was built at a speed and scale that defies conventional logic. Which project redefines the future and which is almost too massive to believe? Let us begin at number 8. Buried beneath the Jere mountain area just outside Beijing, a vast construction site has captured the attention of analysts worldwide. Satellite images in mid-2024 reveal a sprawling 1,500-acre complex dotted with nearly 100 cranes and deep excavation zones. Defense experts believe this is no ordinary facility. Reports suggest a hidden military headquarters so immense it could be up to 60 times the size of the United States Pentagon. The design hints at deep tunnels and reinforced structures intended to shield against cyber attacks, bombings, and even nuclear strikes. Yet there is no official confirmation. All evidence comes from satellite data and intelligence assessments. As Andrew Erickson of the United States Naval War College notes, the scale is plausible, but public verification remains limited. If true, this complex would redefine the meaning of strategic resilience, an underground fortress built for a new era of warfare. Stretching more than 2,400 kilometers across China, the South-North Water Transfer Project is the world's largest water diversion system. Each year, it channels over 10 billion cubic meters of water from the Yangtze Basin to the dry northern provinces, reaching nearly 170 million people. The network includes gravity-fed canals, deep tunnels beneath rivers, and aqueducts that soar for 9 kilometers above the ground. The scale is staggering, comparable to building an artificial river from Shanghai to the edge of Central Asia. But this engineering triumph comes with a cost. Hundreds of thousands have been relocated, and environmental changes ripple through river ecosystems. For a country facing chronic water shortages in its north, the project stands as both a solution and a challenge, an audacious attempt to rebalance nature with concrete and steel. Hidden in a remote valley in Guizhou, a colossal dish stretches 500 meters across, the 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, FAST. This single radio ear, as large as 30 soccer fields, listens for the faintest whispers from deep space. Its surface is made up of 4,450 individual panels, each one nudged by precision actuators that shift with millimeter accuracy, forming a perfect curve to catch signals billions of years old. FAST sensitivity surpasses any telescope before it, able to pick up cosmic radio waves from the dawn of the universe. As Dr. D. Lee from the FAST team puts it, this instrument gives humanity a new window on the cosmos, revealing mysteries that were once beyond our reach. Spanning 55 kilometers across the Pearl River Delta, the Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge stands as the longest sea crossing on Earth. Its centerpiece is a 6.7-kilometer immersed tube tunnel, assembled beneath the water with a margin of error less than 5 millimeters. An alignment so precise, engineers compared it to threading a needle at the bottom of the sea. For the region's commuters, what was once a 2-hour journey now takes about 30 minutes. As one senior engineer from China Communications Construction Company stated, this project proved that civil engineering could match the precision of watchmaking, even at a scale visible from space. In Changsha, a 57-story skyscraper rose in just 19 days, an achievement that left the construction world stunned. The secret was not more workers or longer hours, but 2,736 factory-finished modules, each delivered ready to snap into place. Crews assembled 3 floors every day, a pace that shattered every traditional timeline for high-rise buildings. Broad Group, the company behind the project, claims the structure can withstand a magnitude 9 earthquake, far beyond what most skyscrapers are built to handle. The speed of assembly sparked debate among engineers worldwide. Supporters point to rigorous factory quality checks, but skeptics question whether such rapid builds allow for thorough inspection. As founder Zhang Yue said, if you can build fast and build safe, why not? The industry is still weighing that answer. On the coast of Zhejiang, Yuhuan Oil Island stands as a silent guardian of China's energy supply. Beneath its surface, tanks hold up to 30 million barrels of crude oil, enough to keep the country running during global shocks or sudden price spikes. Its high-capacity port can unload 9,000 cubic meters of crude per hour. allowing China to stockpile reserves quickly when prices drop and draw them down if imports are threatened. Energy analysts point to this facility as a key buffer against market volatility. In a world where supply lines can break overnight, Zhoushan gives China the power to buy time and stability. Baihetan hydropower station channels the raw force of the Jinsha River into 16 million kilowatts of electricity, enough to power entire provinces. At its heart, 338-ton turbine rotors must be aligned within just 0.02 millimeters. That margin is 5 times thinner than a human hair. This microscopic precision slashes vibration, boosts efficiency, and extends the life of machinery built to run for generations. Engineers relied on real-time calibration and custom alignment tools to meet this standard, drawing from a playbook of 30,000 technical standards and over 400 new technologies. A chief engineer at China Three Gorges Corporation warned that at this scale, even the smallest error multiplies. Perfection is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Baihetan stands as a monument to what happens when nanoscopic accuracy drives continental-scale ambition. Xiong'an rises from empty fields as a $95 billion experiment in urban intelligence planned, built, and connected in just 7 years. Here, roads sense approaching ambulances and trigger green lights citywide, shaving seconds off every emergency. Beneath the surface, utilities and governance dashboards run on real-time data. Yet with every sensor and algorithm, questions grow about who controls the city's digital nervous system and how much privacy remains in a metropolis built to think for itself. Across all 8 projects, one pattern emerges. Impossibility is just a starting line. In China, engineering ambition rewrites the limits of reality. The blueprint for tomorrow is being built today.